So welcome to Grease Monkeyz Coimbatore. So this is Dinesh and I'm Juice.
Hi.
So today we are going to look at a new type of motorcycle. Actually, it's not a new.
It's not new.
New actually, but it's very unusual. It is not in the market so much.
This has a good market there in Europe, and such a lovely bike.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, maybe our people doesn't like the styling of it, maybe, and when it comes to super naked, we are all much more into inline fours. Maybe the noise of the inline four that attracts a lot of people. So the Kawasaki 900s and 1000s are the motorcycles that sell well here, and not the twin.
Yes.
So this one is a boxer twin, super naked, 1200cc, and it is shaft driven.
Correct.
So that is
same like their tradition.
Yes, and doesn't have a chain, so it feels a lot more smoother than the motorcycles that comes with the chain.
Yeah. Riding in city is, I think, the most comfortable bike. I think if you compare with the GS adventure bike, this is most comfortable.
Yes.
So you can use this bike as a regular commuter.
You can use it as a regular commuter in even in high traffic. It doesn't feel uncomfortable, and it handles sweet. And it is also very adept in handling crawling traffic.
Okay.
It just moves very easily in the first gear or second gear. You can just putter along. It won't snatch. The throttle feel won't be snappy, and a lot more smoother. And the balance is it's actually superbly balanced motorcycle. Maybe because of the center of gravity, which is very lower due to the
that helps a lot. I think.
Yeah, that helps a lot. And it kind of auto balances itself. You need not fight with the motorcycle. Yeah, that's it.
No stress at all. Like it will be very easy.
Like
very easy. Just like you are riding a 150cc bike.
Yes. I think at times I feel a lot more comfortable than riding a bullet even. And I love to ride a bullet. And it does feel
the same.
Easier than a bullet in the traffic.
Oh, right. That's cool.
Actually super easy.
And also I noticed this Acropovic titanium
it has a
silencer, I think.
It has a
looks nice and sound also very nice.
Slip-on.
Okay.
So it also has an exhaust butterfly. So in the higher RPMs, it does open up, and even with the DB killer, it sounds awesome. It sounds loud.
Yeah,
it's not like
just
threateningly loud, but you do
still
feel people
get
running for cover when you whack. Like,
that's cool. Like, and also they make one of the best silencers in the world. And one more thing I noticed that this particular model, there are 2-3 variants are there. This particular model comes with electronic suspension or something.
Yes,
like
this is the top end model. This is fully loaded.
Okay.
And I think this is the only such motorcycle here in India. I don't know whether there are another examples here in India. It is fully loaded. It comes with keyless ignition system, so you need not have you just have the key in your pockets.
Okay.
And you can switch it on. You can also lock the steering with the power.
Everything on the
Everything. You can open the tank cap like this. So there's no key for this. This opens by itself. Super smooth. Cool. And it has BMW's sat nav. It comes standard.
So everything starts from here.
Yes.
Just press the button. Okay. So this navigation system is directly from
BMW's own navigation system.
So the software also from there.
Okay, right.
That's cool.
And the tank opening also, it's done electronically. It also has the steering lock here. You just press it for longer, it will lock.
Lock the steering. Okay. Cool.
And you'll have all the necessary information in the display, tire pressure and the engine temperature. And once you start the motorcycle, till it comes to 80 degrees centigrade, you can wait till the motorcycle warms up. Once it reaches 80, it will show OK. That means that it is OK to ride, you are OK to whack.
Okay.
Yes. You need not push without warming up the motorcycle. You can wait. The engine shows that it is all right. The oil flow and everything is pakka. So,
that's cool.
And also it has the TPMS, so it will show you the tire pressure. Once it goes lower than the adequate range, you will get a warning. So you can go and check your pressure. Yes. And
so everything comes in the meter itself. 1 meter, you will get
and this layout is also changeable. It has, I think, 2 or 3 more different layouts.
Okay.
Wherein you can even use kind of racing kind of layout.
Okay. Okay.
It'll have a lot more information here. And it also has the dynamic suspension system, wherein the 1/4 here it has this adjustment.
Oh.
So through the motor.
Oh. That it's electronically adjustable.
It's electronically adjustable. If you choose dynamic ESA, it adjusts your suspension both the front and back.
Okay.
Based on the road feedback. So it happens milliseconds. So you can feel it. You can feel it in the sense the motorcycle won't catch you off guard even if you are riding with the dynamic ESA. If you are hitting the roads and then if you are going back, the rear is sliding and all, it will immediately catch it. You won't feel. You will feel little bit of traction control kicking in, but yeah,
cool.
It also has another important thing. It has is the BMW Shift Assist Pro.
Oh.
So
what is
one
that?
another awesome thing. You can both upshift and downshift clutchless.
Okay.
So normally most motorcycles will have a quick shifter wherein you can just do clutchless upshifts. So this one comes with the downshift also.
Okay.
It will feel little clunky. Once you hit speeds, maybe first to second it feels little notchy, but from second to till the sixth, it feels super smooth. And you also get this burble when you shift really quickly, right? The noise is like intoxicating.
Okay.
Superb. And it also comes down pretty smooth.
Oh.
Yeah, without clutch. Yes. But it
Not
all
much
happens
knocking or any kind of glitches.
It won't. If
It is
you're
not
if you're
smoother.
doing
I'm
speeds,
not-
it is smoother.
yeah.
If you're puttering along in the traffic and try to do clutchless downshift, it won't.
Okay.
It won't feel nice.
Okay.
It'll be clunky. So better to use the clutch when you are in the traffic. But when you are really going back, you need not touch the clutch at all.
Okay. Right.
It's like crazy good.
So altogether, it's one of the most practical bike you can have it.
It is a really practical bike. It is unfortunate that
unfortunately-
it didn't sell well
In India.
Yes.
Because most of the people looking for big bikes with a big body, that gives what do you call more
It has this appeal.
attention.
It can catch people's attention. It is maybe a chick magnet or something.
Most of them like for you'll get more attention.
Yes.
In the crowd.
Yes.
It looks like little bit ordinary.
Yes.
Yeah.
It looks little ordinary when
but
you
it
compare
looks-
it, especially with the Kawasaki or the Ducatis especially. It doesn't have this that kind of that factor, wow factor.
Okay.
It is not there. But yeah, it's a good motorcycle too, right?
Yeah.
And also the power delivery, it won't catch you off guard. It is very linear. It has enough torque.
Yeah.
Enough torque. And that's why you can putter along
Almost
the first or
every
second in the
gear.
traffic.
Almost
Yes.
every gear.
You
It won't
open
lag.
it just moves.
It won't lag.
And if you are in the band, it will blast. That kick of the torque, right? That is intoxicating. It's really good. It's really good.
Super. Nice.
It's very different when you compare it with the V twins like the Ducati and all. They are very aggressive and they always like to keep it in the boil, but not this one. It loves riding slow and then going fast, and nothing matters for this.
So I want to know more about the meter and the setup of this meter and all.
Okay.
So can you tell me about more about this?
Balaji, can you show us the different layouts in the speedometer?
Hi Balaji.
Hi Jus,
How are you?
how are you?
Good.
Fine. So there are different type of styles for this speedometer.
Okay.
Here you have to go into the info button. This will be changing the range, engine temperature, fuel consumption, and those things. Here you have to reach style,
Okay.
and you have to press this one. It changes.
So the layout changes. It is more of maybe track oriented layout. That's what I call. Because it has the most important adequate information there. The RPM and then the mode.
And there is one more style. This is another layout. And you can customize this style.
I think we have used another layout. It used to be like little claustrophobic, right? This one?
Yeah. We have like edited to keep it simple and easy.
Okay.
So these are the modes. This mode, it controls the power and traction and everything, right? So now it is in road mode. It also has this dynamic as well as the wet.
road, dynamic, and user. User is like you can configure whatever the style you want.
Okay.
Various permutations and combinations can be used in user mode.
Oh.
There is rain. Rain will even fill.
Rain will cut down a lot of power, and it is also safe when the road is really wet and slushy. And the above one, you can also show that one, right? The dynamic ESA.
Yeah.
Now it is in dynamic ESA, wherein the suspension setting changes with every input that it gets from the road.
Okay.
Yeah. Right now it's blinking. It means one rider and luggage.
Superb.
It's changing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Crazy, right?
Super.
Good.
Now it's set for only single user. Yeah.
That's cool, man. So each and every type of weight, it will automatically change.
Yeah.
It will automatically change, and it will get changed with every input that it gets from the road.
Okay.
Once the road, the traction changes, especially the road surface. If it is smoother, it will feel different with the dynamic.
Okay.
And if it is little pothole ridden or it's gravelly or anything, if the suspension detected, and it will change the setup like this.
So,
And
what is the age of this bike? I think it is little bit older, like around 4-5 years.
Yes, I think it is 2017 model. Yeah,
17.
17.
5-6 years of this. Yeah. But still, it's good and nice.
Yes.
And the main thing is, I think this design, it never fades. Just like how bullets are, like classic bikes. The design never fades.
Maybe
Just like a Jeep.
for a set of people, this is very appealing, I think. And maybe the engine is very old school. The architecture remains the same for maybe like 50-60 years.
Yeah.
I think that's when they came up with the Boxer in the mass market, I think.
Yeah.
And the architecture remains similar. They haven't really
That is their
upgraded.
signature
anything.
model.
That is their signature model.
Yeah. That's good. Nice.
It is not very fast, but yeah, it's really
Fun
good.
to
Yeah.
try.
Fun to run.
And yeah, we forgot to show this. Even in the sat nav, right? It has all this information here.
Oh, complete information.
Yeah.
It has
You can
everything.
customize everything.
Oh, right.
Battery voltage, real-time
Oh,
fuel
that's
economy, fuel economy based on 2 trips because you have 2 trip meter, and there is an odometer here. This shows the tire temperature, the tire pressure, both the rear and front, and the engine temperature.
Okay. So you get everything.
Yes, you get everything. You get everything, and then the max speed that you clock, and everything, the fuel range. This is also customizable. It will also change. Nice. And it also has the heated grips. The grip warmer. I think it is somewhere.
It's over there.
It's over there. Okay.
The grip
Winter riding, it helps a lot. In
Yeah, winter riding, not in Coimbatore.
But
you are
nearby Coimbatore. People who live very close to Coimbatore, they can actually enjoy this feature. I think. And if they are 20 kilometers away from Coimbatore city, they really can enjoy the morning and evening.
Yeah. Yeah, your palm might also get barbecued a bit, but that's okay. Yeah.
So that was lovely.
Yes.
And I think
So even this one is an accessory.
okay.
So you can mount a BMW pannier boxes that comes especially for this model 1200R.
This
It is a
top
smaller
box
one.
is- Yeah. So this is for the top box,
Yes.
and this is a accessory actually.
Yep.
Okay. And with the saddle rack.
Yes.
Okay. The design is very nice and sleek.
Yep.
I really love it. Beautiful.
It's a beautiful design. Yeah. Looks really cool.
Actually, it's a perfect pack.
Yes. You can even do highway runs on this. Maybe a bit of wind blast will be there, but it is very enjoyable. It is very enjoyable. And the brakes, if you are, these brakes are like another thing. It is
Crazy.
super. It's crazy good. Brembo monoblocks, sharp. They are super sharp.
Super sharp.
Yes. In the traffic, you can't use, you can't do single finger braking because it will feel,
Very sharp.
it will feel, really
Very
sharp.
sharp.
It will be really sharp. It might catch you off guard. But yeah, once you are doing speeds and all, just a single finger is enough. Yeah. Pretty good.
thank you so much for
You're
all
welcome.
this information.
You're welcome.
And I really
I hope
love
you
it.
enjoyed riding this motorcycle.
Yeah, really, because I've seen this from Bond movies and so many magazines and everything. The old suspensions, the different suspensions that are the old.
That had the telelever.
Yeah. So this one, this is the first one I am riding in my life.
And you really
GS and
enjoyed it,
after that, this is the first naked bike I'm riding from BMW. I really enjoyed it.
It's sweet.
And I couldn't get all the information first. I just want to ride.
Okay.
It was very nice, and you gave me all the details and everything. It was so nice and very nice. And thank you for your time.
You're welcome, this way.
Okay. And Balaji, thank you so much for all the information. See you
Welcome,
next time.
welcome.
Yeah.
See you next
Okay,
time. Bye.
Bye.
See you.